good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Saturday today. It's actually President's Day weekend, so it is a long weekend, which is always fun. I've got Everett down here walking my shirt like a puppy, and I just got ready. It is 12 o'clock. Carl works most Saturdays and he just works 9 to 12, so he should be home here in like 15 minutes or less, which is really exciting. And then I guess he wants to get a haircut today, so and then we're gonna go with him, and then we're going to get lunch, and who knows what else we're gonna do. We're gonna try and make it a fun day. But yeah, I thought I would do a little weekend in the life vlog just to show you what our weekends look like. I don't ever vlog my weekends, so they're not super exciting, but sometimes we do fun things, especially since it's a 3-day weekend. I think hopefully we will try to find something fun to do since Carl is off on Monday. So yeah, you're looking for Dada? Everett, say Dada, where are you? Where are you? When you go do your hair and get shoes on soon, huh? So anyway, just follow along on our day and our weekend. Alright, so Carl just went into Great Clips to get his hair cut. Everett and I are just chilling in the car. He just went in, so hopefully Everett doesn't start being crazy. Oh, Bubba, you gonna be sad or you gonna be happy, boy? A little bit sad. It's okay. So hopefully they get him done pretty quick. He said there was like a 0-minute wait time, so we'll see if that is true or not. And then I think we're gonna go get lunch, either Chili's or Paleo's. Paleo's is like the best pizza ever, and then we have a free kids meal at Chili's, so I guess we'll see what Carl wants. He'll probably pick Paleo's because he's only been there once, and I think he's been really wanting it. So anyway, just gonna be waiting here. Oh, monkey. Oh, you look so cute, don't you? Whenever we were on our road trip here to Texas, then he got his binky so that he would be happy the whole way. And now he wants his binky all the time that we're in the car, so gotta try and break that habit again. He did never want it before the road trip, but now it's just kind of like he gets in the car and his binky's already in here, so whatever makes him happy, I guess. Huh, baby? Hi, perfect. Hi. You been waiting to mama? I love you. Also, I wanted to talk to you guys really quick because I can see like how long people are watching my videos for, and it's not super long. It's not even close to like the whole video. And so I want you guys to leave a comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you like, and also with the videos that I do post, why you aren't watching the video the whole way through, so that I can try and make my videos better for you guys to watch. So let me know what kind of videos you like. Do you like vlogs? Do you like cleaning? It's kind of hard to clean at my parents' house to like do a whole video about it, but if you guys like that, I'll try and figure that out. Or sit down videos. Let me know what you guys like down below so that I can make better content for you guys. Look how handsome. Looks good. That was so fast.
Yeah.
Bubba was starting to get a little bit sad about the game.
And I got $3 off the next hair.
Woo! Oh, really? Is that really you back there making that noise? You look so chubby. Oh no. What do you want to eat?
I don't know. What do you want to eat?
Mr. Maskey.
Oh, yeah. What's that?
Not Paleo's?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay guys, so you saw we ended up at Paleo's, and so we got the Frank's buffalo chicken which is like the best ever, and then some buffalo wings. And Everett got some chicken nuggets and fries. I usually get him pasta here, but he hasn't really eaten it the past 2 times, so we'll see if he likes this better. Is it too hot? Okay, we put it back for a little bit. We blow. Can Everett blow? Blow. Try again. Hot. It's okay. It should be okay now. It's a little bit cooled off. No? Okay. All right, we came home, dropped Everett off. Carl. We just dropped Everett off, and I've talked about it in other videos, but sometimes we go door dashing, delivering. So we're gonna go door dashing right now. Right? My dad is home here with Everett while he naps, and my mom's gonna be home soon.
Did you get the stuff from the truck?
Yeah, it's in the entryway table by the front door. Sorry. Thank you. But anyway, hopefully we'll make some good money in 2 hours. We'll see. We never really go during the daytime, actually. I think we've never gone during this time, so we'll see. We always usually go after Everett goes to bed at 9 p.m. and it's okay, but nobody really tips and stuff since it's like such a random time, but 2 o'clock is kind of a random time to go out to, so we'll see how it goes. Well, hello. It is actually 2 days later now. Just walked up the stairs, so I'm kind of out of breath, but if you haven't been seeing what Texas looks like right now on the news or social media or anything, it's been kind of a crazy weekend. And so yesterday it snowed like crazy, and it's been like 10 degrees, and so church got canceled, so we just didn't get ready at all yesterday. We just hung out at home and literally sat around and did nothing but play games and just did nothing all day long. But let me show you what it looks like outside. It's seriously so cold. What's the temperature right now? Oh, it's up to 10. It was just at 7 30 minutes ago. So it's up to 10 degrees now, which is obviously still way too cold. Oh, there's a dude trying to snowboard in the front yard. Let's see here. Wow, it's really bright. Let me turn it down. Oh, it's gonna go by itself. So this is what the front looks like right now. It is so cold. Here's a guy trying to snowboard in his driveway. I wonder if he's from somewhere that snows, because who just has a snowboard in Texas? That's so random. But anyway, we've been doing nothing because it's obviously so cold. So, but today, another crazy thing is that the power, they're like manually turning it on and off to, I don't even know why. There's probably some logical reason to conserve power or whatever because of the snow. So since 2:30 this morning, they turn it off for a while, comes back on, and then a little while later it turns back off again and then on again. So 2:30 this morning it turned off, 2:45 it turned on, and when it's off, obviously Everett's camera doesn't work, his monitor that we listen to his sound doesn't work, his sound machine doesn't work, our sound machine in our room, the fan turns off. So obviously the thermostat turns off. So it's just kind of crazy. It's like off and on all night long. I think it's been 6 or 7 times now since 2:30 a.m. and it's noon now. So that has been very not fun, very inconvenient, but everyone is up. And what else? We just ate some some breakfast, had some hot chocolate, and Everett is playing downstairs with my dad, and Carl is, I think, in the bathroom. So that's what's going on so far today. I think I might want to take Everett out in the snow, but it's so cold, so I'll have to bundle him up like crazy, obviously. So yeah, not sure why I was up at 2:30 a.m. this morning. I think I was just playing games on my phone and stuff, but we were up then, and then I think it went off at like 4 or 6. I heard the one at 6, because every time it comes back on, then Everett's baby monitor goes, VTech cares about your baby's safety. Please install the baby unit at least 3 feet away, blah, blah, blah. So that comes on, and we don't sleep in silence. Obviously, we have this fan over here for noise in our room. So it was so weird. Just kept like waking up and it was silent, and I hated it. And hopefully Everett slept good with his sound machine turning on and off. Not too sure how he did, because obviously I couldn't check on him with the camera being off, but anyway, it has been crazy, but hopefully we will do something fun today. Maybe go out in the snow and play, and yeah, try to make it a fun day since Carl is off of work today because it's President's Day. You're not too sure? Just a little bit burr.
Yeah, Dad, what schools are in Florida?
Hawaii. Wow. You need some snow boots, huh? A little bit. What you think? Hey, Bubba. You trying to jump? Hello. He's so burr, huh? Okay, it's literally so cold. I don't know why I forgot my coat inside, but it is, what time is it, like 4:30? 4:40, and we're gonna go get our groceries. I'm just warming up the car because, oh, I'm sorry, it's so cold. Because if we don't warm up the car, then it just keeps dying because this car is old. But Everett is getting his diaper changed by Carl, and then they're gonna come out. Look how freezing it is. My dad had to shovel the driveway, but anyway, so cold, and we're gonna make dinner as soon as we get home. I'm pretty hungry, so that is what we're doing right now. Hopefully they have our groceries ready soon. It's supposed to be ready at 4, but it still says preparing, so apparently not ready yet. So hopefully by 5 it'll be ready when we get there. Alright, so we drove all the way to Walmart very slowly because the roads are very snowy here. They don't plow them here in Texas, apparently. And yeah, we drove all the way here, and they said that our order was canceled, even though it didn't show that on the app. So.
And furthermore, we asked why it was canceled, and the girl said it's because they're out of everything.
Yeah,
How is a
there's
Walmart
no
out of
food
everything?
in the stores.
How is a Walmart out of everything? That's
Like,
just crazy.
what? I'm so sure they just have no food left in the whole store. So anyway, we're here at Chicken Express to get dinner for everyone because it's our night to cook. So
It's the apocalypse, apparently.
apocalypse part 2. Freaking COVID last year. Anyway, very exciting. And Everett is playing with the Sephora bag in her seat because he is all done being in the car. Okay, since we're literally doing nothing because the power just keeps turning on and off, and yeah, there's nothing really to do. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog right here. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports my channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and hopefully I can get this video uploaded sometime this week because it's very obnoxious that the power keeps turning on and off, and there's no Wi-Fi. So anyway, hopefully sometime I will get this up to you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.